Hello everybody! I am very excited to show you my new journal. This journal was a gift. It was a gift from my husband. He surprised me. He knows that I love Johanna Clough, and she had these up for sale in her Etsy shop, Little Bindy. And he went and got it and got online, and she only had 3. And I don't know how he did it, but he was one of the lucky ones, and now I'm the lucky one. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you a few things about this, which is just so beautiful. She has these jewels for the tassels. This is like her signature look, which I love. It has like a key. And I think she called this her Fairytale Wedding series. And there is actually a little mushroom in here. But I don't know if you can see it. It's so tiny. Okay, it's a little red mushroom with white dots. So, let's just open it up. I love the satin ribbon. I'm very excited because I think about 2 weeks ago, she did a series on her channel, and it was called, I think it was called Journal in 15 Minutes, and she said, you know, for people to join her, and every day for 10 days, I think it was 10 days, you set your timer for 15 minutes, and she gives you a little assignment, and you can follow along with her and see what she does for the example, and get inspired, and then do it in your journal. So I am going to do that starting tomorrow. I am going to do the 15-minute challenge. So that will be the first thing, well, the first things I actually put in my journal, aside from these bay leaves from my garden, because when I got this, oh, it smells so good. We have a bay leaf shrub outside, and so I got some and stuck them in here because it just smells so good. So anyway, so let's go ahead and go through a little bit of this, and I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to let you see this, and here we go. So she has sort of a fairy tale wedding inspiration for this, and I imagine that's like a fairy and or like a fairy godmother. Okay. She did a hot wax. It's got a J on it for Johanna, which is nice. I love this green. She's got some stitching. Very nice. Here's the wedding inspiration, some vintage wedding paper. Some washi tape. I think that's a William Morris. basil. Not basil. Bay leaf. Sorry. Castle. This is like a little paper bag. That's pretty. That's very pretty. And then she sewed it so you have a little peekaboo spot to journal. I have never done any of these things that they show on YouTube where the people who are doing the journals, they have all these challenges and things. So since I've never done that, and I've really not kept journals like this before, this is all new to me. This will be fun. It'll be a great way to begin and get me acclimated to this type of journaling. I've done bullet journaling, and I've done almost a date book type journaling, which is basically just a few things that I'm thinking about, not really this kind of journaling. So this is all brand new to me, and I'm really excited to get started, but I know that I'm going to need those challenges to get me started, because it can be quite intimidating if you just look at these pages. You're like, oh my goodness, what do I do? What do I do? So for those of you who have been there before, I'm sure you can empathize with the newness of it all. And those of you who haven't and you want to try it with me. This will be fun, and we can inspire each other. Here's another J. I got one of Johanna's Christmas journals, junk journals, this past Christmas, and I have a video where I showed it. I showed the actual journal, and oh, it's so pretty. And I've actually used it. I've actually at Christmas time, put a few things in. I didn't complete it, but it looks good. Maybe I'll show it. I'll show it finished, even though it's not completely finished. But I'll still show it finished from what I did. This is pretty. Oh, I like that. Some more vintage wedding paper. More basil. No, I keep calling it basil. Bay leaf. More bay leaf. From the garden. That's nice. The nest. I love this paper. This has it's vintage obviously, but it's got this 70s vibe. Very nice. This little pearlescent paper. This is nice, little fairies. Oh, this is nice. Actually, everything about it is nice. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start. All these amazing journalists on YouTube, they make it all look so fun and easy and exciting, and I'm ready to start. I'm ready to give it a try. So tomorrow I will do a video on the first 15-minute challenge by Johanna Clough, and I will get started. I want to thank you all for joining me in looking at Mini Journal, and please, if you leave a message, let me know what you're working on, let me know any tips you have or any other type challenges that I might want to try when I'm done with this one. And I want to thank each and every one of you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.